Hey friends, if you wish to change the accent colors of text buttons and settings menu, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down and select colors. Okay, and then scroll down to accent colors and make sure that they are selected at manual. You can select any good accent color here. Well, in some cases it may change the colors for the start menu and the taskbar, but if you wish to change the colors for title bars and windows borders, then you will have to check this button here. Okay, so just see what happens when you check it and just see what happens when you uncheck and check it. So this is how you can change the accent colors for these. And similarly, you can also use contrast themes, but if you start using contrast themes, then it will change the color combination for the entire system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.